Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. As you remember, we created divs in our previous video. We can create lots of divs like this. We use div to separate sections and assigning style to each div to have different view for our website. For example, I can add another div. Let's say menu. Let's say div site menu and save it. You see the changes on our browser, and as you see, it just displays all text. In our future tutorials, we will move that text different area. For example, I'll move to that site menu next to main area. We do sort of things by assigning different styles from our style CSS file. We will have lots of examples about them. Let me delete those areas for now and save it. Let's have a look at another selector, attribute selector. I just need to put an input and type text, and I'll put another one, input type email, and another input type submit value sent. Let's save it. We see our input on our browser. Let's assign style according to type. Input and type cool text and curly bar. So we type input because we want to assign style to input, and type must be text. Type text. Let's say background color brown and save it. You see, just change that one. Let's add another input as a text. Input and save it. You see, that one also brown because we assign type to all input which has type text. Let's assign another style for email. Input type email. Curly brackets and background color blue and save it. You see guys, that is the attribute selectors. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.